Hey guys, it's Kim. Here's a new recipe for Chinese broccoli and beef stir fry. I've been feeling homesick lately, so I decided to make a dish my mom often made at home. I had trouble figuring out which one was Chinese broccoli at the grocery store, but Chinese broccoli has little flowery clusters. Sometimes it's yellow or green. Prep the veggies by washing them and then slice the broccoli diagonally and then into 3 sections or 4, depending on how big the Gailan is. And we need 3/4 pound of flank steak. Just cut it into like 3 strips. I'm just cutting it along the line. And then I'll cut it into bite-sized pieces against the line or against the grain. Try to make them into equal pieces for more even cooking. For the marinade, in a bowl, add in your beef, 1/4 of a teaspoon of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 of a teaspoon of white ground pepper, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Stir this together well. Let this marinate for 30 minutes in room temperature. Any longer, it will make your marinade too salty. Prepare the sauce in a bowl beforehand. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Stir this together. Fill a pot halfway with water and season it with some salt. Stir this together and let this boil. Add in the Chinese broccoli that's been cut. Cook this for 1 minute. Drain this. Wipe the pot clean. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and on high heat until the pot is smoking. And then add in the marinated beef. Lay this flat and cook this 1 minute without stirring. After a minute, stir this and cook this for 2 more minutes. Remove this from the heat and add another tablespoon of oil. Add in your cloves of garlic and cook this for 1 minute long. Add in the Chinese broccoli again. Stir this and cook this for 1 minute long. Season this with some salt. Stir this. Add in the meat. And pour in the sauce. Cook this for 1 minute or until it's thick. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media sites. Watch my previous video, and bye.